Hi there! Today on Keep It Simple with Grandma, we will be making ranch potatoes with green beans and bacon. It's a very simple recipe, but it's delicious. So follow along, let's get started. The ingredients that you'll need are about 1 to 1.5 pounds of potatoes. Ideally, red potatoes or like Yukon Gold would be great just because of the color. It makes the dish look nicer. But I have russet, they'll work. You'll need about 6 slices of cooked bacon, about 12 ounces of green beans. I'm using frozen. Fresh would be great. You can even use canned, but then you'll adjust the cooking time when we get to that part. And about 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of diced onion, and about 3 tablespoons of ranch mix or one of the packages. So we'll go ahead and get started cooking the bacon and potatoes. Okay, we have the bacon crisping up, and then I cut the potatoes into chunk-sized pieces, and I'm going to parboil them just until they're fork tender, and then we will remove them from the water, drain the water off of them, and we will keep about 2 or 3 tablespoons of the bacon grease for the rest of the recipe. To the bacon grease. Okay, I had to transfer that into a larger pan. So now the onion has sauteed a bit, and we will add the green beans and the potatoes. We'll saute until the green beans are done and the potatoes are a little browned. Then we'll add the ranch seasoning. Okay, time to add the ranch. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons. And the bacon. Yummy. Now that was a simple skillet recipe, wasn't it? The recipe is down below in the description along with the instructions, so I hope that you'll try it. And please like and subscribe to the channel and follow along. We'll be posting new videos regularly, so I hope that you'll come back and check out what we've got coming up. See you soon. Bye now.